AI could be useful to decide which treatment modality and which device can be useful better or be the best solution for a specific type of patient or specific type of lesion. And this will be very helpful in the decision progress methods. We know that AI is also learning step by step from the daily activity. We don't know which could be the final step and what is the final goal that we can achieve. But for sure, at the beginning, we must pay a lot of attention just to avoid some mistakes or other problems related to this new technology. AI is improving, and everyone is using, for emails and videos, promotional, and so on. The key point, the curiosity is to see what can give to us, what we can offer to the patient in a better way using the AI. But again, is a window in the future. I'm Endo, that is the International Multidisciplinary Endovascular Forum that will take place in the beautiful city of Florence in February 2022. There will be a dedicated session as a window on the future of endovascular procedures. In these sessions, experts will debate some new topics like the use of robot, the use of AI, and new virtual or software techniques that can help our activity and also help the final results for our patients.